wash!
As we continue our movie studio tour, we enter the set of the upcoming action monster film, The GLOB.
The GLOB? Oh, I've heard about this movie. It's supposed to be really scary.
If you look to your left, they're just about to film the scene when the GLOB first arrives on Earth.
Oh boy! I've never seen a movie being filmed before.
Right on the set! Extras, get in position! GLOB, in position! And action! Cut! The GLOB is out of control! Stop that GLOB!
Oh, no! Oh, we've been globbed! With all this slime covering the tram, you won't be able to see the rest of the tour.
Well, maybe I can help. I'm what you might call an expert at deglobbing cars.
You are?
I sure am. And I have a car wash not too far from here. If we hurry, I can get the tour tram cleaned up before they start shooting again.
Sounds like a plan.
All right, folks, this tour is taking a detour. And if you all direct your attention straight ahead, you'd be able to see Carl's car wash, if the tram weren't so messy.
I'll take it from here, Tonya. First, let's find your vehicle. Is it a big rig, a bus, or a tour tram? That's it, a tour tram. Now, let's see how messy it is. Is it a little messy, medium messy, or super duper messy? It's definitely super duper messy. Let me see what kind of mess this is. Ew, it's so gross! Is it musty mustard, globby slime, or melty marshmallows? Guaranteed, it's globby slime. And finally, what size is this vehicle? Is it normal sized? Or is it big? Yep, it's big all right.
Wow, those are some spectacular special effects.
That'll be 30 tokens, Tonya.
Print that. I'll drop them in by tens. 10, 20, 30. And we're rolling.
to call.
Oh, shucks, Tonya. I have so many people I'd like to thank, but there's no time. We gotta get back onto the movie set before they start filming again.
All right, folks. Next stop, the GLOB. Take 2.